Welcome back, and this video is going to be about updates on the man cave and what I've been doing and what I intend doing. I think in the last couple of videos, I think the last one might have been about braided brake hoses on the ZX10. It doesn't matter what bike it is, it's just braided brake hoses. I was delighted with the result. I got much better brake pressure. I haven't ridden it yet. It hasn't got an MOT, and it's coming into about October right now, and I can't see me doing much more riding. I'm not mad keen on winter riding, so I probably won't get it MOT this year. Other things I want to do on the ZX10, the rear suspension linkage was flagged up in one of the MOTs, so I wouldn't mind disassembling that and taking a look. I've been doing a lot of videos on the zepa 750, and that's been put on hold at the moment since I found damage to the cylinder liner. I'm still doing a bit of work on it. I've taken it more apart, and I'm going to continue to strip it down. I think I may have found somebody to fit a cylinder liner, or more importantly supply a cylinder liner. It's very difficult getting hold of one. I've contacted the main dealer and they couldn't supply one and didn't know anybody that could. So I'm going to get in touch with this chap and hopefully he can sort that out and we can move forward. So while that's been delayed for a moment, I started doing the 550. I was going to just botch it back together and just sell it. I bought it for parts anyway. I bought it for the carburetor. Whilst looking over that, I found that somebody had dropped it and botched together some damage on the engine casing where the stator is. I might put a picture up, you can see that. I think they just stuck it back together with body filler. I might try to repair it myself, but maybe better. I don't know how good a repair needs to be. It doesn't hold any oil, so nothing's going to leak out of it. You just want it to look reasonably tidy. Or I might just strip it down and sell it for parts, which is kind of the intention anyway. Like I say, I only bought it for the carburetors. If I could get some 550 carbs cheap, I would stick them on and MOT it and get it moving. But I'm not sure what's happening with that at the moment. Other things I want to do, here's my script. The Speed Triple, I want to put the K&N filter back on it. I think it's got the original one on. Plugs, I want to check those. It's got iridium plugs. They normally last longer. I just want to see what condition they're in. I wouldn't mind doing a fork oil change. You know, the bike is coming up to 8 years old now. You don't realise how old your bike is. You know, that time has flown by. So I wouldn't mind doing that. And other things like the eccentric adjuster hasn't been checked. I don't want that seizing up. And basically just a good old check around. I wouldn't mind putting the computer on it as well. That's the Dealer Tune. Is it Dealer Tune? Dealer Tool program that I use. You can check various things like carb balancing. I just want to give it a once over and give that a look at. Other things, with the vast amount of money that Google pay me to keep this channel going, I've bought myself a shot blast cabinet, so I'm going to put that together soon. I bought an air compressor to go with it, which was frighteningly more expensive than the shot blast cabinet. And I've bought a ultrasonic cleaner, which is due to come quite soon. So I'll be playing around with that and cleaning things and showing videos, etc. I might do an unboxing of things like the cabinet, you know, like the real YouTubers do, and show you what's going on. Apparently it's a bit of a nightmare to put together and the instructions are quite poor. So that could be fun and it could take a while. In the meantime, keep your eye out for more videos coming, subscribe, press the notification thingy, and then you won't miss anything. In the meantime, take care and thanks for watching.